Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable QR code on Mega account. So first we're going to go to our Mega app. Then once you're here, we're going to click on menu. Don't forget you guys have to get logged in. Then again, you're going to click on settings. Then once you're here, you're going to click on security. So there's the QR code option. You're going to click on it. Then you're going to click on auto accept. So from now on, Mega users who scan your QR code will be automatically added to your contact list. So this is what the relevance is. It makes the usage of this app more simpler, more easier to use, and especially when you're in contact with other contacts. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.